If you observe your mind very clearly, you will see the mind wants object to get attached. Mind is always in a continuous flow and in a constant turbulence. Is trying to get attached. Mind wants confirmation. Mind wants the continuity which you give by reacting over the objects of your mind. It is a constant state of noise, trying to find out its shelter. Mind is always trying to get things and then manipulate that which the mind get attached. So mind is very clever. You have to be so much awakeful, watchful for mind. Its cleverness is very subtle and it will destroy everything. And if you see clearly the mind, it always finds comfort in past. It never exists in present. It always in the past. The whole thinking is a past and your thoughts are past. So it's trying to make that past alive again and again by finding some objects. However, there are some people, to escape from this illusion of mind, they concentrate their mind on some mantra or on breath. But by doing this, they concentrate their mind, but it's work as a suppression. It will help you only when you give it object, but you can't give it object all the time. You have to work, you have to go to the profession, you have to sleep, you have to walk, eat. And more you give it, if any object, it will become more rigid and you are strengthening it. You are making it more strong to get attached. It will attach to this object, but after the object will remove, it will get attached to another object and even more stronger. That's why you must understand what is actually meditation. In meditation, mind has no work, because where there is mind, there is no meditation. Meditation is no mind, as also said no mind. Krishnamurti said, watch everything without the watcher, observe anything without the observer. What does that observer means? Observer is your mind, your thought, your past activity. So mind is always chattering, but in meditation you don't give it any object. Yes, you don't give it any object. You just let it go where it will go. Let it remain where it remain. You are just aware of its activity, but not that awareness you are watching. That watcher becomes another, trap, another mind, another thought. You just have to witness. Witness means you're neutral being, which is not attached to anything. And witness is not the mind. It's beyond mind. You have to be just be whatever is happening and just aware. And that must be choiceless awareness. Or in a Osho word, it's Sakshi Bhav. For spirituality and meditation course, you can join my classes. There are 24 videos: meditation, awareness, present moment, who am I, truth, what is actual meditation, and one guided meditation video. You can join this course. It will help you a lot. My WhatsApp number 9773529489, given in description to this number. From there you can message me on WhatsApp. Thank you very much.